Really?
So if I found, how many can find?
Oh, 10,000 Singapore dollar.
10,000.
Is you looking for this square, you can get cash back $1,000.
Still finding this 100,000 Sing dollars token.
Thank you.
I will go and find. Okay, let's
thank
go.
you. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hello guys. Today I'm gonna bring you over Sentosa, where you can see amazing and wonderful parts of Sentosa, and I'm gonna walk all the way, the whole stretch, and you walk with me, then you will see the beautiful views, and it's really amazing place, especially for those who want to visit Singapore. I recommend to visit Sentosa, and today we are going to travel to Sentosa. Let's go. Boom. What is that?
This is you looking for this square, you can get cash back $1,000, and you can spend $10. You can hit one.
So what I need to do?
You just need to find. If you can find, you get cashback. They
What I
hide
need to find?
this coin.
Oh, this coin they
Yeah.
hide in Sentosa there?
Sentosa.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Really?
So if I found, how many can find?
Oh, 10,000 Singapore dollar.
10,000 Singapore dollar will be
1,000 to
hidden
10,000.
around
1,000 to-
Sentosa.
1,000
To 10,000 Singapore dollar. At the time, you can scan and contact.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
Really? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Last week,
Can I get that?
someone got
Okay, so I got this. But it's 100,000, not 10,000.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, so total is
Yes.
will be hidden in around Sentosa 100,000.
Yes, 100,000.
Pick up the coins worth 1,000 to 10,000 and get the cash is yours. Really.
Yes, really.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I will go and find. Okay, let's
thank
go.
you. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you so. Thank you so much. I will find. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's go and find this in Sentosa. That's my target today. So this coins is finding that it's called Hunt the Mouse. So it's a Sentosa Singapore edition. And I'm walking through every corner of Sentosa to find it, even in the bushes. Let's try our best. Maybe they hide it here. Where is that? I'm still finding this 100,000 Sing dollars token, and if I found it, I can buy a better mic for me to make better videos in a better quality. But where to find this? I don't know where they hide it. It's written there 100,000 will be hidden around Sentosa. It's a bit difficult to find, you know. Here is the Adventure Cove. Oh, that's nice. And that's another adventure you can enjoy here, Universal Studio. I'm not sure if that token they hide on top of that Universal. Trying to look around if there is any clue to find it. look around where to go and find that token. And this way you can find a monorail to go to the next stops. So you can get also monorail from the Harbourfront station if you don't want to walk. The way I walk from there, and from once you reach here, Sentosa World Resort, from here you can take a monorail to go to beach station or Imbia stations. So you're gonna come here, Resort World Station, to get a monorail, and that's the monorail. This monorail will bring you to beach station. I'm gonna go in. So once you reach the station, you see to Imbia station, beach station this side. Here on your right, River City. If you want to go back to Harbourfront, left. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, this line is for Imbia Beach. This way. And there's a train coming in. This is going to beach station, right? Imbia station and beach station. Thank you. Oh, I need to alight first. Those. Okay. Station. Okay.
You are just minutes away from Sentosa's many exciting island offerings. This train is bound for Beach Station. Next stop, Imbia Station. Attention all guests, please do not leave your belongings unattended. If you see any unattended items, please alert our station staff immediately.
Oh, that's great. These lights are on at night. Okay, we are here at the beach station.
Beach Station. Alight here for white sandy beaches, dotted by a wide selection of attractions and food and beverage
Beach
outlets.
station.
Please mind the platform gap. Beach Station.
Is this ours? No, right? Oh yeah, it's tripping now. Alright, we are here at the beach station. Okay, Palawan beach shuttle buses. And they always have some events here at the beach station. Palawan Green, and there's a event going on. Let's see what's there. Oh, that's the event going on for the kids.
is about to create a bubble storm. Join us at the tentage area at 12:30 p.m. to witness the magic. See you there. Hey kiddos, gather around. Our bubble blower machine is about to create a bubble storm. Join us at the tentage area at 12:30 p.m. to witness the magic. See you there. Hey kiddos,
The parents
gather
are really
around.
cheering
Our
up them.
bubble blower machine is about to create a bubble storm. Join us at the tentage area at 12:30 p.m. to witness the magic. See you there.
How lucky you are. Alright, let's have some food, snacks. This is a good place to relax and rest and eat something. What I'm gonna get here. So the foods you can see in these trucks. And you can also enjoy with your kids in the swimming pool at Splash Ride. This is another fun activity at Sentosa. So I got so many cards, 10,000 that need to find. I will go in, maybe they hide it somewhere in the forest. So let's try this to find it out. And just now, it's very difficult to really find because it's just a small blue color token that need to find. Well, it's a bit difficult because the island is so big island and it's every corner we can't really go like those kind of plastic places. I thought maybe inside the okay, sorry guys, these are the tickets. I think I try my best for the whole day. I cannot find 10,000. I'm gonna take my taxi and go back to the home. And thank you so much. And those who want to find this $10,000, you can visit to Sentosa and try your best to find these hidden tokens in Sentosa. Enjoy, take care. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.